Now I'm working my way towards installing the subframe, the Ronen subframe. I've cleaned up the areas that the subframe is going to bolt up to, such as underneath there. There's a lot of grime and dust, as well as you got to remove the heat shields that go along the transmission tunnel. You need the space in order to bolt up the transmission cross member. That'll probably be in the next video when I finally put the engine in. You'll see how that goes in and why the heat shields interfere. But I cleaned up all that. All I gotta do now is just clean up the hardware and we can mount it.